This year, there have been many opportunities for us to broaden our horizons at Howells. Maybe it's been through discovery, expression, or allowing ourselves to escape into a different world for a while. Perhaps it was an inspiring talk, remembering treasured friends, a race to the finish line to celebrate a win. It could have been a moment in the spotlight, whether it was your first performance or your final bow. Maybe it was a new food, a different language, exploring a new culture, or marking a milestone with a very long tea party.
Yes.
It could have been through fundraising, supporting others through a sense of community, shaped through tears, laughter,
You look like a grandma.
diversity, and pride. A practical joke, or just a simple word of kindness. The truth is, whatever our age, we never stop learning, and any one of these experiences could have been our breakthrough moment. But whether it's with friends or companions, it's our shared values as a family that allow us to grow together.